Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic pry tool. These tools will help you safely and effectively open your laptop and manage the components inside without causing damage. First, power off your Lenovo Legion 5 and unplug it from any power source. It's crucial to discharge any residual electricity, so press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Once that's done, we can proceed to the next step. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically about 10 screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove each screw. Place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic pry tool and gently insert it between the back panel and the laptop body. Carefully run the tool along the edges to release the clips holding the panel in place. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as this could damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, ensure all screws have been removed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically near the CPU. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about performing this upgrade yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for these types of services. To remove the existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module. The module will pop up at a slight angle, allowing you to pull it out. If you're adding new RAM, align the notch on the RAM stick with the slot and firmly press it down until the clips click back into place. Make sure the RAM is secure and seated properly. After ensuring the new RAM is installed correctly, it's time to clean the interior of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This helps maintain optimal performance and cooling efficiency. If you need assistance with this cleaning process, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight, as this could strip the plastic. Finally, flip your laptop over, plug it back in, and power it on. If the RAM upgrade was successful, you should see a noticeable increase in performance. If you have any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions about any further assistance you may need. That's it. You have successfully upgraded the RAM in your Lenovo Legion 516 IRX8. Enjoy the enhanced performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.